Good news, good news, good news. Getting your 1000 subscribers on YouTube is as easy to every new or small content creator who is just starting. You can get your 1000 subscribers in less than no time. I was able to get my 1000 subscriber in less than 3 days. So in this video, I will be showing you how I was able to get my 1000 subscriber in less than 3 days. I will walk you through the practical steps, everything you need to know, the things you need to turn on, the things you need to turn off, so you can see this result and maximize it the right way. So grab your pen and paper so that you can jot down things you don't understand in this video and later on put them into practice. Hello guys, if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Kevin, the creator behind Grow With Kelvin, and on this channel I share my strategies, how I grow on YouTube, the things I use and they work for me, I come here and share. The ones that don't work for me, I still come here and share so that you don't make the same mistake and you should grow fast on YouTube the right way. So if you find this as a vibes, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I drop a vibes or a tips like this, you will be the first to know. For you to meet up with YouTube monetization, you need to get your 1000 subscriber and your 4000 watch hour. So we know that it is not easy to get your 1000 subscriber and your 4000 watch hour as a new content creator who is just starting. But with many tips and tricks that have been proven, we can now get our 1000 subscriber easily and also get our 4000 watch hour without any delay on YouTube. So if you want to know how to get your 4000 watch hour fast on YouTube, watch this video. On this video, I detailedly explain how you can get your 4000 watch hour in less than no time. So stay with me till the end of this video, because today I will be walking you through how I was able to get my 1000 plus subscribers on YouTube in less than 3 days. So stick with me till the end of this video. Follow to the end, because if you skip one part, you might not get the full vibes in it, and missing one part, you might not see the right result you are looking for. So stick with me till the end of this video, so I will walk you through how I was able to get my 1000 subscribers on YouTube fast and reliable. So let's dive into it, guys. Remember, I will be putting some names like this and this so that you can go on YouTube and practically search on those names and detailedly follow what I'm talking about. So when you click on your YouTube app, the next thing you need to do here is for you to click on the search bar and then type Prosperity X. So if you tap on Prosperity X, you hit on search. So make sure to choose the first one. Click on the first one, and then if we click on the first one, make sure these videos you see here, when you click on the first one, you'll see videos like this, and then these videos here, they have the potential of going viral. You see this one, we'll go for the one that has the highest view, 5.9 million views. So you click on this one that has 5.9 million.
If I say something about you, you're
pause it. We just pause it, and then now the next thing we need to do here is for us to come here, and then you see this icon that says, that has two arrow, one up, one down, and then a plus sign within. So you click on it, and then an interface like this will open. You click on the collab feature. You click on that collab feature. So now from here, what you need to do is for you to click on this 5 seconds and then drag this till the end for it to be 53 seconds, and then take next. So you just have to wait for it to process. As you can see, the video is processing. So here we just need to put the caption. Make sure the video title is the same as that of the original video because it had the potential of going viral. So what makes the video to go viral? Make sure to include everything here. The title is you are out if this is true about you. We add this tag roadblock and add another one, shorts. Now we just need to add a related video to this one. We'll click here and then we choose one of our previous video. So I will just choose this one. I'll choose this one and then we have added a related video. For the description, you can just say watch this amazing video. You can just say that and then we don't have anything to do for the hashtag whatsoever because we did not see any hashtags there at the tag bar. So we just need to click upload. So the next thing we need to do here is to click on upload. So our video is now uploading. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, then this channel is for you. Subscribe because every week I show you how to grow on YouTube faster, smarter, and without wasting time. And comment below what is your biggest struggle on YouTube right now.